I better wake up until my daughter to get up for school. Okay. Just making. Never mind. Whoa, this is hard to do. Okay, it's time to get up for school. Whoa, school. Whoa. Woof. Okay, Mom, I'll get up. So, what are you gonna have for breakfast? Well, that's what I'm gonna ask. What can I have for breakfast? You can have anything you want. We have a lot of stuff now. Okay. Thanks, Mom. No problem, sweetie. So, I'm gonna go to the elevator. Is better. Now, boop, 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 boop. There. Ouch. Now I'll do popcorn because I'm closest to it. That was good popcorn. Now I go back down the elevator. That was good breakfast. So I need to get dressed. I need to go back up the stupid elevator. Ouch. That hurt. Stupid infernal contraption. That is better. Thank gosh. Okay. So I'm gonna just bring this whole bag downstairs. First bag. Take that all the way down there. Now me. Woo! That was awesome. Okay. Oh gosh. Now, to pull this out. Perfect. Love it. Okay. Now it's going to be a little bit hard to get dressed. Just to know, okay, no, let's see. I'll just get dressed later, and I have to clean up all this stuff. Oh gosh. Keep this one out and put this one there. Okay. Put this back here. Well, I better head, well, I'll get dressed in my changing room, then I'll head back out. What am I gonna do while she's getting dressed? I'm just like thinking. It's sort of hard to think. That's it. Breakfast. This is good. I love breakfast. Breakfast time's my favorite of the all-time year. Oh yeah, baby. go. Done. Now what should I do? I'm not really sure on what should I do. Mom, I need help getting dressed. Okay, sweetie, okay, gosh. Okay, sweetie. Thank you. Just hold on. Try one last time. Okay, hold on. Hold on 1 second. I have to think, oh yeah, I have to use the restroom. Okay, I'm done. Oh my god. Oh, sorry, Mom. It's alright, sweetie. Okay. Hold on. Okay, this is just not working out. Ah, there we go. Perfecto. Okay, now, go brush your hair. Okay. Can you brush it for me, Mom? Sure. Oh, gosh. There you go, honey. Thanks, Mom. Better get heading to school. Bye, honey. To be continued.